Here are 5 things that keep me safe while I'm travelling for work. Follow along as I pack my bag. I'm often heading to the tip of Australia, to the Gove Peninsula, where temperatures are often 40 degrees. So water and electrolytes help to reduce my risk of heat stress. And I can't forget a mid-afternoon protein hit to keep my energy levels up all day and stay alert. And when you're working around mosquitoes in the wet season, repellent is an absolute must. Gloves, hard hat, and safety glasses. To make sure I'm prepared for whatever this job throws at me, I make sure to have them with me as soon as I step foot on site. Lastly, the SafeDay app to do any pre-task risk assessments, and so I can check for safety alerts that I can share and learn from with my team. There's nothing more important than keeping yourself and others safe at work. So that's why I always have these items in my bag when I'm on site.